everyone. So, this is me making rotis for my kids for breakfast. And trust me, I'm not perfect at it, but somehow they still turn out soft and nicely puffed. So, let me show you how I prepare them. I start with 2 cups of wheat flour and 1 cup of water in a food processor. I just pulse it for about a minute. And you will see the dough all coming together, so soft and non-sticky. Now I transfer it onto a board and add a little oil so it doesn't dry out, and then give it a quick knead. I start making small equal balls and roll them. After that, I roll them smooth. Further, I dust them with a little more atta and flatten the corners. Then I roll them one by one, not too thin, not too thick, just like how we like it at home. Then I layer the flattened rotis one by one on a plate. Next, onto a hot pan on high flame, I carefully remove the rolled roti and place it on the pan. Once you see the bubbles, flip it and wait for the bubbles to appear again. Now that you see the bubbles again, flip it and with the help of a spatula, press lightly until the roti puffs up beautifully. And there you go. Once done, I remove it on a plate, apply a little ghee on the top, and it's ready to serve. I'm making these 2 rotis for my elder son and serving it along with dal tadka. Let me show how the rotis have turned soft. So this is my simple way of making rotis soft. I still tell myself that I'm not perfect, but they still turn soft and nice. Hope you loved this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple tips and home cooking. See you soon on another video. Take care.